Hi children. Today our topic is writing a chemical equation. Okay. What is the need of writing chemical equation, madam? We have one doubt. Okay. I will clarify it. See, if you are doing some experiment in laboratory or in any industry, okay, you are making some other new product in factories like that. Okay, that is only reaction. Okay, you have to take one reaction. Okay, I will give you one example for this. Okay, for example, you take zinc crystals in conical flask. Zinc crystals, zinc, and add some HCl to this hydrochloric acid. You have to add to it to form a hydrogen gas will be releases. Hydrogen gas is releasing. Like this, there is one experiment. Okay, suppose you are writing the chemical equation, then no need to writing like this. I am taking some zinc crystals in conical flask. I am adding some HCl to it and release their hydrogen gas. Like this, you have to write total reaction there. But when you are writing any chemical reaction, it is the shorter way to understanding. You see, shorter way to understand the total reaction. What is there? Okay, that's why when this experiment only I am writing in chemical equation. You see, okay, zinc symbolic forms only you are using. Already we know the symbols of elements. That they are using zinc element. We know. Okay, zinc symbol is Zn, and plus here adding HCl, hydrochloric acid. That's why symbol of hydrochloric acid is HCl. That's why you are writing like this. Okay, this one is called reactants. Reactants. These are the participants in the reaction. That's why you are writing these reactants in right side. Okay, then this one is separated by one arrow mark gives rise to. Then zinc chloride and high hydrogen gas will be releasing there. Okay, those are writing in left side. You see, these are called products. These are called products. What are the reactants in this chemical reaction? Zinc and HCl. And what are the products in this reaction? Zinc chloride and hydrogen. Easily we can say. Okay, it is the shorter way. No need to total writing. Okay, then some symbols also we are using. Now I draw here up arrow here. See this one. This one indicates the formation of or evaluating gas in that reaction. If evaluating any gas from the reaction, then we are keeping the like this arrow mark. Here hydrogen gas is released. That's why I kept there. See up arrow. Okay. Suppose sometimes the writing down arrow also. If any precipitate is formed, any precipitate is formed in the reaction, then you are writing there this one. What is the precipitation? Precipitation is the undissolved substance formed in a reaction. If there is any undissolved precipitation, undissolved substance in the reaction, that is called the precipitate. Okay, then you are using like this symbol. Okay, if there is using this one, there will be form a precipitate, one precipitate. Like that, it is a shorter way to understand. Suppose you are writing here, you are drawn one like this triangle shape on the arrow, then it indicates the utilized heat, observing heat. That means you are heating that substance. Suppose one example for this, you take copper and when it is reacted with the oxygen, then we have to heat it. Then only these two will be combined to each other. Okay, otherwise it can't. That means when copper is reacted with oxygen, then we have to heat it. That's why I drawn here triangular symbol. Then we know that if there is triangle symbol, they are using some heat. Then what will be formed? CuO, copper oxide will be formed there. Okay, and some are releasing heat energy. What are those? You see, suppose one example for this CaO. CaO. Okay, CaO is called. Okay, I will will write another reaction here. Here reaction only I am changing here. Reaction means productants and reactants and products also change. See, CaO. CaO is the quick line. Quick line. Plus when quick lime is added with water, what will be formed? Slacked lime. CaOH twice. This is the slacked lime formula. Slacked lime. Here in left side you are writing plus Q. You see. Plus Q have to write. Why? Because here when these two are combined to form a CaOH twice and some heat will be released. Okay, in some already I told you Cu plus O2, when copper react with oxygen, then what will be formed? CuO, then minus Q are keeping, say minus Q, otherwise you are keeping here delta symbol. Both are maybe used here. And here is another these reactions are there. What are those? See, if heat is released from the reaction, any reaction, then it is called the exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. If heat is released from the reaction is called the exothermic. Exit, heat will be exit. That's why it is called exothermic reaction. If heat is absorbed in the reaction, okay, then it is called the endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction. Okay, do you understand? See here, if heat is released from the reaction, exothermic. If heat is absorbed in the reaction, it is the endothermic reaction. This is about another example for the chemical equation. You see here, what are the reactants? CaO and H2O, because these are participate in the reaction. Which are participate in the reaction, those are called the reactants. You see, okay, participants in the reaction is called the reactants. What are the products in the reaction? Those are produced from the reaction is called the products. Those are the products here. Slacked lime and some heat will be produced. Those are the products. Like this, we can say a shorter way to understand the any chemical reaction is the chemical equation. Okay, what are the reactants? What are the products? Okay, if is there any gas releasing from the reaction, like this, some we are by using these some symbols only we are writing chemical equation. It is the shortest notation of the chemical total chemical reaction. No need to writing total reaction. If you understanding it is a one shorter way. Okay, this is about the writing a chemical equation. Some rules are there to writing chemical equation. Okay, we will discuss it. Thank you.